hit that record, but press record. The content could be contenting. Hey y'all, it's Jazz, better known as Cookie Daniels, and I'm so glad y'all came back to a player's page. This is what I'm talking about. Today's video is gonna be lit. You're definitely gonna like it. I am doing my top 5 do's and don'ts to starting a YouTube channel. There's gonna be a part 2 to this video, so if you like this one, make sure you're subscribed so you can see the other video, because I want to share the things for me that I feel like are not do's and don'ts. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to jump into number 1. Get your YouTube started. Get the videos going. Take the YouTube seriously before it gets monetized. You have to treat your page like you're already getting paid before you get paid, because that's how you're going to get paid. If you think you're just going to tell people, subscribe to my YouTube channel, videos coming soon, some people will subscribe, but you're not going to build that audience and that trust factor if you don't have any videos up. Treat it like you're getting paid right now. Shoot videos like your videos are making you get your rent check. Treat your videos like they are the difference in you eating. Treat your videos like this is a full-time job. Don't treat YouTube like a side hustle and then you're like, okay, it's been 2 years, I don't have the subscribers, I don't have the monetization, because you're not putting the work in. Treat it like you're getting paid now. So if you have a channel and you don't have no videos up, I challenge you to put a video up in the comments. I want you to tag me. Tag me so I can come watch it, I can support it, I can save it, I can share it, I can comment. But that is your first piece of homework. Go do a video today. Whatever your niche is. You need to do a fashion haul, you need to do a how-to video, you need to do a top 10 this, you need to do a review video, whatever it is, do the video today. Comment below that you promise so that I know you promise, okay? Number 2. A lot of people not gonna like this one because you know this is one that you have been personally using as a reason why you haven't started your YouTube channel. Do not wait on a camera to get started. I said it. Use your phone. These are $1,000 phones. You shoot with an iPhone from the back in the right settings and you clean that lens and you have some proper lighting. That's all you need. When you're ready to upgrade your camera, go ahead, do your big one. I didn't say you had to stay on your cell phone the whole time you was doing your YouTube journey. I mean, some people do it, and that's awesome. But if you want a camera, don't wait on the camera to start the YouTube channel. The content could be contenting, because how you gonna get your money for your camera? You need to make the money off of YouTube, off of whatever platform, and get it started. So you do not need your phone. I'm sorry, you do not need your camera. You can get it cracking with your phone. Number 3, one of my favorites, something that I usually don't hear people talking about, but when you are shooting a YouTube video, don't forget to take your cover photo right then and there. So when I get ready to do a video, what I do is I take about 5 or 6 pictures and I pose for whatever I know the video is going to be about, and then I have my shots with the same hairstyle, same makeup, same clothes, so that can be my cover. I know that some people go ahead and steal the screen grab out of their video, but I like to take the picture first so that it's crispier and I don't have to play no games. You don't want to have a cover that's totally different from the hair and outfit that you had on in the video, because you want that cohesiveness, you want that branding, you want it clean, okay? So do not forget to take your cover photos right before you shoot your video or right after. I like to do it before, because sometimes when you done do your video, you exhausted. You might be ready to eat. You might be ready to drink. You might be ready to lay down. So make sure you get that cover photo in. Snap, snap. Number 4. I cannot stress this enough. Do not try to replicate anybody's videos. Yes, there's a blueprint. Yes, there are things that already work on YouTube, but you need to find your lighting. You need to find your voice, because there's an audience looking for you. There's a tribe looking for you. If you're trying to do what somebody else is already doing, the audience and people on YouTube and internet, they're already following that person. Somebody can relate to you. Somebody knows your lingo. Somebody's your age. Somebody's, your culture. Somebody needs you. We need you to talk about marketing the way you talk about marketing. We need you to talk about YouTube the way you talk about YouTube. We need you to talk about dating the way you talk about dating. There is no one way to get on YouTube. The only thing that everybody has to do that gets on YouTube is hit the record button. Outside of that, we all different. Wear what you want, talk how you want, light the room up how you want. You can follow trends. You can follow things that make sense. You can follow things that are the right blueprint, but don't follow another person's personality. Don't follow their personality. Don't follow their scheme, their setup. Do you. Do you, boo. Do you, boo, because you'll be the inspiration for somebody else. And you will sit around forever trying to duplicate or replicate somebody else and never start your stuff. Because if you're trying to get the exact same likes they got and you can't find them or you can't afford them, you're not starting your channel. hit that record, but press record. Press record. And be who you are. Be who you are. Number 5, one of my favorite tips. I'm talking about favorites to give out. Do not overbuy memory cards when you're first starting your channel. Let me tell you why. Memory cards that go inside of the camera are the memory cards that I'm talking about. When you're starting your YouTube channel, you're probably going to be the one editing your stuff. If not, and you got an editor, cool, then this tip does not apply to you. But for those who are starting with like their first camera, maybe you got like a Canon M50 or something like that, you're starting your YouTube journey, you got your first camera, you done bought the battery pack, you done bought the microphone, you done bought the memory cards. I recommend you only have 2 to maybe 3 memory cards. You want to know why? Because the more memory cards you have, the more you're going to shoot, and then you're not going to edit it. Really, 3,000% recommend to not have too many memory cards, because you'll shoot 10 memory cards worth of stuff and now you have anxiety because you got all these videos and you haven't done anything with them. So that's discipline for you. So discipline for myself is a max of 3 memory cards, because if I have 3 memory cards full and they're not edited and I didn't clean the memory cards off, what is you doing, Cook? What are we doing? What are we doing? So those are my tips. Let's recap those tips so you don't have to rewind the video. Tip number 1, do not wait until you are monetized to treat your YouTube channel like you're getting paid. Treat it like that now. Number 2, do not wait until you have a camera to start your YouTube channel. What we gonna use? Our phones, razor included. Number 3, do not forget to take your cover photos for your YouTube videos before you start the shoot, so that you don't forget and you'll have a picture that matches your video. Number 4, we are not replicating, we are not duplicating anybody else's videos. You're gonna do you, you're gonna be yourself, you're gonna show your personality, and your tribe is going to find you, I promise. And number 5, if you have a camera, do not buy too many memory cards. You wanna be disciplined, so no more than 2 to 3, so that you do not overdo on the shooting and you're not coming through on the editing. But if you got an editor, don't worry about my tip. Do you, boo? Get you 15 memory cards and have you a time, okay? So those are my top 5 tips for starting a YouTube channel. But remember, this is part 1. I'm going to do a part 2 video. And if you like these, you'll definitely like part 2. Okay, so I'm so glad that you came to rock with a player. Y'all know how I feel about it. Enjoy your day. And it's time to make money your way. Peace.